Hey coders, and welcome back to Deep Technoelite. Today we are going to take your first step into the exciting world of Python. Get ready to write your very first program. Let's dive in and discover how Python works. We can use simple text editor like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac. In this tutorial, I am going to use the Visual Studio Code. So let's build our first Python program. I have created a folder on desktop and name it Python Programming. Here I have opened it. Now let's create a new file and let's name it hello.py and type here print into the bracket, and you can use a double quote or a single quote, and let's say hello world. This single line tells Python to print the message hello world on the screen. Save the file and let's run the script. To run the Python script, I am going to open the terminal window and Visual Studio navigate us to the directory where we have saved our file. Now let's type Python space and the file name hello.py and hit enter, and magic happen. If you did everything correctly, you will see the glorious message hello world on your screen. Congratulations, you have just write and execute your first Python program. This is just a beginning of your coding journey. So, we have learned to write the Python script and run them in the terminal window. But did you know Python itself can be used interactively? Let's dive into the Python command line and see how it can be a powerful tool for experimenting and learning. So, let's open our command prompt and type Python and hit enter. And you will get a prompt like this. This is where you can type Python code directly and see the result instantly. So let's try a simple calculation. Just say 2 plus 5 and hit enter, and you will get the result 7. You can also define variables and perform operations on them. Let's say x equals to 5 and y equals to 10 and x multiply y, and you will see the result 50. Even our familiar hello world can be printed directly. So let's print into the bracket, and I am going to use double quote hello world, double quote, and close the bracket and hit enter, and you will see the message hello world. Unlike some programming languages, Python is interpreted. This means it doesn't need to be compiled into machine code first. Instead, a Python interpreter reads your code line by line and translate it into instructions that computer understands. It's like having a personal translator for your code. The Python interactive shell is a powerful and convenient way to explore the language. It's a great companion to write scripts, experiment, learn, and have fun. In the next video, we will dive deeper in the Python programming. Smash the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below.